create a specific table for measures, just you need to go to your report view. Under this, we have an option of table enter data under home tab. Just click on it. Here, just leave the column name and value as blank as it is, and just change the table name here. You should not give a static measure name as a standalone measure name, because it's a reserved keyword here. It will not take up standalone measures, so just give some other name, right? And just load it. A table will be created with no column or the blank column, just this way, right? Start creating some column or measure here. Let's say I am creating for total sales. That is for sum of sales, and then you can delete this blank column. Now you are ready with your specific table for measures, and you can continue creating all your calculations into the